So in this level, basically what we'll be doing is that we'll be adding the fourth, that's the fourth finger to it too. Do, re, mi, so. The pentatonic scale is do, re, mi, so, la. So we've been playing do, re, mi with broken chords on the left hand. Now we'll be adding the so to it. And that's not difficult. You just have to practice this exercise a little and you get it. Do, re, mi, so, mi, re, do. Then you come to your and start. Play your so now. The same randomness. You understand? That's it. The same principle applies that you did for your three fingers. Add your fourth finger to it. You can literally not make mistake no matter what you do. As long as you stick to those four notes, you cannot make mistakes. Just keep doing your broken chord on your left hand, and if you keep practicing, before you know, you'll be a master. And after playing here, exactly. Remember I told you moving from one octave to the other enhances the effect it has on people, your improvisation. That's jumping makes it very nice. It's almost like going from primary 1 to primary 2. Can you imagine the excitement in the child's mind? So that's what it feels like, right? Yeah, see you in the next level.